Let's be honest. You're here because your job sucks. And your job sucks because the hours you're working suck. And the hours you're working suck because the money you're making sucks. And the money you're making sucks because your skills suck. You're swimming upstream, looking for better ways to make money online. You can continue to hold on to your false sense of job security and comfort zone in a job that sucks, or you can take my hand and I'll show you a much better way. We'll help you double your income, then you can fire your boss and get your time and your life back. Here's how we do it. My name is Kruze, I am 28, don't let the young face confuse you. I've made over $5 million on the internet and had my videos watched by over 5 million Australians and 50 million people globally. I'm not just another American or guru trying to flog you a course on e-com, digital marketing, SMMA, Amazon, trading or drop shipping. I'm from Australia. We don't just help you leave your job, we help you to create financial freedom. Here's me being recognized in Entrepreneur.com, Yahoo Finance, Medium and Disrupt for the over 500 people we have helped create financial freedom. What we teach people to do is to make money by texting or talking for some of the top online brands in the world.